Hi guys! So here at Bronzy we thought it's about time that we address something. It's been left unaddressed since back in the day, keeps getting brought up, so let's just have it out there. We look like an oven glove. We do, we look like an oven glove. Oven glove. Double-sided, back panel, if you want to call it a back panel, tanning mitt, double-sided, back panel, same shape, same design. Please don't ever take things out of the oven with this, and please don't ever put fake tan on with this. So for everyone out there who says we look like an oven glove, we absolutely do, but we're going to show you exactly why you shouldn't apply fake tan with an oven glove. Watch this space.